So here we go, we're going to try another one. Now we got to practice putting this into the calculator and getting the line of best fit on the calculator. Well, I've saved some time here. If I go to my current page, I have already entered in all of the data. So again, how do you do that? From the home screen, you want to do a new document, okay, and then do a list and spreadsheet. I've already got it in there, but this is a list and spreadsheet. You have to type in X up here, Y over here, and then put in all of your data. But once you have it in there, then you want to hit Menu, and you want to go to number 4, Statistics, number 1 to Stat Calculations, and then we want to use number 3, which is Linear Regression in MX plus B form. And then once we're there, you want to make sure you select all the way down the X for the X list, and then from the pull-down menu here, you want to select the Y from the Y list, okay? And I'm going to save this. It should say on yours F1. I've already done one, so that's why mine said F2. But this should be F1 here, okay? So then just click OK, and you're good. And then it did it. So if we scroll up right now, you should be able to see that you have your M and you have your B. So now we just put it in function notation. So f of x is approximately, I think to 3 decimals is what's been asked. So 0.026x, and then our y-intercept is right here, so plus 7.87. So plus 7.87. Okay? And then we're asked on this one to interpret the slope. Okay? So I want to go back to this here and make sure you're understanding what that means. Interpreting the slope here is to look at this and understand what is being said here for this application problem. Well, it's all about rise over run. This is really over 1. The run part is the x values, remember. So when we do this, basically I always start them, and you don't have to, but I start with the bottom for every 1 unit that you're going to the right. For every 1 day of gestation. That's basically what's going on. The gestation day is increasing by 1. Well, what happens? This is a positive slope. So we would say the life expectancy increases. It's hard to write with this, sorry. By 0.026, and that would be years in that case. Okay? So I'm going to do some more here. I'm going to try, but I want to save this video to make sure they're recording.